quick tutorial on how to fix this error using the bat file linked in the description. Before anything, the file is completely safe. It only runs built-in Windows tools like SFC and DISM and re-registers system DLLs. You can open it yourself in Notepad and read every single line, or paste the whole thing into ChatGPT and ask it to explain what it does. Nothing hidden, nothing shady. First, download the file from the GitHub link in the description and save it anywhere. Your desktop is fine. Then right-click the file and choose Run as Administrator. Do not just double-click it. It will not work without admin rights. Now, just let it run. It automatically applies 6 fixes, including a system file scan, DISM repair, and DLL re-registration. When it asks you a question, press Y to download the Visual C++ and DirectX installers. Install those, then restart your PC. That's it. And if you like the idea of using a simple bat file to automate Windows fixes instead of doing everything manually, hit the like button. It really helps and tells me to make more of these. See you in the next one.